Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the Seashell Search minigame in the Dress Impress game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to play the minigame, you're going to teleport to the replay mode, and then wait, you need to talk to the NPC and you can start playing. But wait, I'm still teleporting to the free play mode. Alright, and then as you can see here that we have new minigame. It's called New Seashell Search minigame. Go to the free play mode and then you're going to go out of this building. It's right here and then oops, wait. Okay, you can follow me guys here. And you're going to talk to this NPC to start the game. Okay, and you can do that once in a day and it will be refreshed after 24 hours. Okay, and for the seashell, you just need to explore this area, and this is the seashell. You need to find 15 seashell, and after you find all of them, you get flowers as the rewards. Okay, just keep exploring this area and you will see seashells. Okay guys, and that's how you can play the seashell search minigame in the Dress and Price game of Roblox summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.